incredible creativity. Textures instantly make good images great. Powerful custom-based control. Quick color mode selection. Tinting delivers strong color management. Drag and drop colors in Power Merge for fast workflow. Proof color changes. One-click file restore from history. Base jump for streamlined choke and spread proofing. Knockout white reduces press load. Accurate users control image placement. And so much more. Free update. Download now. At Freehand, we hear you and we keep making things better.